Hello students, come back again to our English lesson. Last meeting we have learned about quantifiers. We learned about some, any, a few, a little, many, much, and a lot of. Minggu lalu kita sudah belajar tentang kata pembilang, yaitu di sana ada kata some, any, a few, a little, yang berarti sedikit ya. And then many, much, and a lot of yang berarti banyak. Okay. Later, Miss will give you exercise ya. This exercise consists of some, any, a few, a little, much, many, and a lot of. Jadi itu gabungan semuanya. Okay. Beside that, Miss also will give you page 88. Giving instruction, yaitu memberikan instruksi. To give instruction, we can use the imperative form. Untuk memberikan instruksi, kita bisa menggunakan bentuk kalimat perintah. In the imperative form, the verb is put in the front of the sentence. Jadi untuk kalimat perintah, kata kerja itu diletakkan di depan dari kalimat. For example, take 2 slices of bread. Take is a verb. So you put in front ya, take 2 slices of bread. Ambil 2 potong roti. Spread jam on the bread. Spread also verb. Oleskan selai di atas roti. So this one take and spread as imperative form. Imperative verb ya. Okay, so the next we can add a sequence word to show the order of the instruction. Jadi kita bisa menambahkan urutan, kata urutan ya, untuk menunjukkan urutannya dari instruksi tersebut. For example, contohnya di dalam kata itu ada kata first, second, then, now, finally. First itu yaitu pertama-tama, second yaitu yang kedua, then kemudian, now sekarang, finally akhirnya. Okay, to understand well, you have to do the dialogue up. Untuk lebih mengerti tentang giving instruction, kamu harus mengerjakan dialog di atasnya. Okay, this dialogue. This dialogue you have to do in your exercise book. Dialog ini harus kalian kerjakan di buku latihan. Okay, after that, now you open your textbook, page 90. Setelah itu kalian buka buku paketnya halaman 90. This one is about dialogue. I will read the dialogue first. You pay attention. After that, Miss will give you the meaning and then you have to answer the questions. Jadi Miss bacakan buat kalian, kalian perhatikan. And then, Miss also will give you the meaning. Miss akan kasih kalian arti juga. Setelah itu, kalian jawablah pertanyaannya. Okay, I will read first ya. I am hungry. Let's make sandwiches for a snack. Good idea. How do we make them? Do you have any peanut butter and jelly? Yes, I have a lot of that. Good. Is there a lot of bread in your fridge? Well, there are a few slices of bread here. Take them out. First, lay 2 slices of bread side by side. Then spread jelly on one slice and peanut butter on the other slice. Be careful. Don't put too much jelly on it. Okay, it's done. Now gently press the 2 slices of bread together. Like this? That's right. Well, it's ready to eat now. Yummy. You are right. It's very delicious. Okay, I will give you the meaning first. I am hungry. Saya lapar. Let's make sandwiches for a snack. Marilah kita membuat roti lapis sebagai makanan ringan. Good idea. How do we make them? Ide yang bagus. Bagaimana kita membuatnya? Do you have any peanut butter and jam? Do you have any peanut butter and jelly? Apakah kamu mempunyai selai kacang dan jelly? Yes, I have a lot of that. Ya, saya mempunyai banyak itu. Good. Is there a lot of bread in your fridge? Apakah ada roti di lemari es? Well, there are a few slices of bread here. Baiklah, di sini ada beberapa potongan roti. Take them out. Keluarkan mereka. First, lay 2 slices of bread side by side. Letakkan kedua potong roti bersebelahan ya, bersampingan. Then, spread jelly on one slice and peanut butter on the other slice. Oleskan jelly di sisi roti yang pertama, potongan roti yang pertama, dan selai kacang di sisi roti yang kedua. Be careful, hati-hatilah. Don't put too much jelly on it. Jangan oleskan ya, jelly terlalu banyak di atasnya. Okay, it's done. Okay, ya sudah selesai. Now, gently press the 2 slices of bread together. Sekarang, dengan lembut, menggabungkan kedua potongan roti tersebut bersamaan. Like this, seperti ini. That's right, itu benar. Well, it's ready to eat now. Ia sudah siap untuk dimakan sekarang. Yummy? Enak? You are right, kamu benar. It is very delicious. Ia sangat enak. Okay, now you answer the questions ya. Number 1, how many ingredients are needed to make the sandwich? Berapa macam bahan yang dibutuhkan untuk membuat roti lapis itu? Number 2, how many steps are there to make it? Berapa langkah yang diperlukan untuk membuat roti lapis itu? Number 3, how many jelly should be spread on the bread? Berapa banyak jelly yang harus dioleskan di roti tersebut? Okay, alright students, so you have 3 exercises. The first one is exercises about quantifiers. Some, any ya, some, any, a few, a little, much, many, and a lot of. That is the first one. Itu yang pertama, latihan yang pertama. The second one, you have to fill the dialogue. This one. This is the second one. Fill in the blanks with the words in the box ya. Kalian isi dengan kata-kata yang ada di dalam kotak. And the last one just now. The last one is answer the questions, yeah. Alright, this one, answer the questions. Okay, so that's all for today, students. Like usual, if you have finished, you have to take picture and send to my WA number so that I can check for you. Jadi seperti biasa, kalau sudah selesai, kalian foto dan kirim ke nomor WA Miss, dan Miss akan koreksi buat kalian. Okay, bye-bye students. See you back next week.